So who's maintaining your solar system? Who's cleaning your panels? Who's inspecting your panels? Who's providing you with the cleaning report? If heaven forbid you ever did have a warranty claim and you had to show evidence that you were properly maintaining your solar system, that's what we do at Carlsbad Home Cleaning. We clean panels, we inspect your system, we provide you the documentation that you need. And we're running a promotion through the end of March. You get $50 off and you get a free cleaning report. We do have limited spots available on our calendar, so book yours today. I'm going to share some additional information to provide some context on why most people aren't offered maintenance for their solar system. So in April of 2023, the California Public Utility Commission enacted Net Metering 3.0. And what this means is that the utility companies can now offer you a fraction of what they did previously per kilowatt hour of additional or excess energy that you're producing with your solar system and then sending back to the grid. So instead of offering you 30 cents a kilowatt hour like they used to, it's now 8.4 cents. So you have the option. You can send your power back to the grid at a fraction of a wholesale price, or you can store your energy on site in a battery system. Unfortunately, the cost of a battery system approaches the cost of a solar system. So you're literally doubling the cost of your investment when you're purchasing solar, which most people can't afford. So that's why, unfortunately, solar sales are down roughly 75% in California, and why more than 17,000 employees in the solar industry have lost their jobs in California. So the solar installers are contracting their workforces. Some of them are moving out of California. Some of them are going bankrupt. You may have heard of SunPower or Lumio. They've recently both filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And then unrelated to Net Metering 3.0, you may have heard of Sullivan Solar Power. They ceased to exist in 2021. So why is this relevant to you? You likely purchased your solar system before April of 2023. You're getting your one-to-one match. For 20 years, you're grandfathered in from the installation date. But again, the question, who's maintaining your solar system? So because there is limited resources with the installers, they didn't likely offer you a maintenance plan to clean your panels, inspect your system, and to have the documentation on hand if and when you ever did have a warranty claim. So keep us in mind. At Carlsbad Home Cleaning, that's the service that we offer, and feel free to reach out to learn more. Thank you for your time. Take care.